Hey everyone, Steffan Walters here with the New Mexico Home Group. Out here in Rio Rancho at 3546 Newcastle Drive Southeast, just wanting to show you my newest listing. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath with an extra office space as well, 3-car garage, right at 3,400 square feet. Totally updated, totally renovated. It has that perfect custom contemporary look. Come check it out. Thank you so much for touring this property with me, everyone. If you have any questions about this home in particular, or just have any real estate related questions whatsoever, please feel free to call the number below or hit the Calendly link and book an appointment. Anything I can do, more than glad to help. Hope you have a good day, everyone.